Hello everyone, welcome to this English practice video. Today we will learn simple and useful sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Daily expressions. Good morning, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Hassan. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from Turkey. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Can you help me, please? Of course. What do you need? Shopping practice? Excuse me, how much is this? It is $10. Can I try it on? Yes, the fitting room is over there. Do you have this in another size? I will check for you. Thank you. You're welcome. I would like to buy this. Here is your change. Have a nice day. Closing. Thank you for practicing with me today. Practice every day to improve your English. Remember, listening and repeating are very important. See you next time. Goodbye and take care.